Thank you, everyone. And now it is my pleasure to introduce our closing speaker, Amarachi Atama. Amarachi will graduate with a Master of Arts degree in Museum Studies from the School of Design. Her research interests include performance curation, cultural education and digitization, and tangible cultural heritage, women's perspective in African art and chanting, cultural ethnography, community engagement, and therapeutic art approaches for mental health and well-being. Her work has been featured on stage, theater, television, and film. She has given performances in Ghana, South Africa, and the United Kingdom, where she completed a 4-month performance fellowship with the British Royal National Theatre. She has also given many performances in the United States, including here in the Syracuse University Art Museum. Currently, Amarachi is the CEO of Sound Your Gong, a mentorship program designed to develop personal skills, professional talents, and entrepreneurship. I am so proud to have her deliver our closing remarks today. Please join me in welcoming Amarachi Atama.